What do you like to do?
One more time.
What do you like to do?
So, I like to picnic. I like to picnic. Let's picnic. I like to picnic.
I like to picnic.
But I don't like. But I don't like. Which color?
Oh, this one.
But I don't like to picnic with ants. But I don't like to picnic with ants. Oh, ants! No.
Yeah.
I like to swim.
I like to swim.
But I don't like.
But I
Don't like to
swim
with the shark. But I don't like to swim with the shark. The shark. Okay, let's do one more. I like to make a sandcastle. I like to make a sandcastle. But I don't like. But I don't like to
make a sandcastle with a wave.
But I don't like.
But I don't like
to make a sandcastle with the wave. Let's do the wave. So, the goal of this is for kids to find out what they don't like to do, the funny part here, and a lot of TPR. The wave, the wave, no wave, the shark, the ants, etc. Bye!
Bye.